Today I'm going to introduce some general concept of innovation diffusion theory. Let's start from what is diffusion. Diffusion is a process in which an innovation is communicated through certain channels over time among the members of a social system. According to Rogers' theory, the four elements of diffusion are the innovation, communication channels, time, and the social system. Key concept in innovation part is newness. If an idea seems new to the individual, then that is an innovation. Communication channel is the way in which information transmitted between individuals. The extent to which the receiver receives the innovation is directly related to the choice of channel and the individual's level of acceptance, as well as the individual's predisposition. A social system in this context is an interrelated unit with common goals through a common problem-solving consciousness. Members of social system include individual, informal groups, organizations, and subsystems such as local communities. Diffusion occurs within the framework of the social system, and therefore the structural compositions of the social system as well as its mode of operation and even its underlying logic have a decisive influence on the outcome and the mode of diffusion of innovations. The importance of the time dimension is reflected in its use as a variable to distinguish and measure changes in individual attitudes towards innovations during diffusion, such as from awareness to acceptance or rejection, as well as differences in the timing of adoption of innovations across individuals. The graph on the slides represents the proportion of 5 different established adapters in group. Through the passage of time, the individual's adapter categories could be changing. Innovators are risk takers who are not only the first to try an innovation but also the initiators and pointer of it. Early adapters have a positive and inclusive attitude towards innovation, recognizing the need for innovation but needing to be persuaded by more practical courses of action, such as specific ways of how to do things and implementation guidelines. The early majority are the early receivers of innovations in the general public group, who usually need practical success stories of innovations that work and evidence of effectiveness to be attractive to them. The late majority are usually late adapters of innovation. It is more effective to capitalize on their herd mentality, such as the number of people who have already adopted an innovation than on positive innovation success story. The lectures are conservative, skeptical of any changes, and therefore the most difficult group to accept innovation. Pressure from other recipients group may help to convince them. Thanks for your listening.